we make resolutions every year. And we are feeling motivated at the start of the year when we make the new goals for us to achieve in the next 12 months or so. We say to ourselves, our resolutions are the intention we have for the year. And yet, we have been through many challenges in keeping them. It is difficult to maintain the initial excitement that we have, the excitement that goes away, because the daily routine sets in, and we need to stay strong and stick with the goal we have for the year. Think back at this moment, or even now, think at this time. What is your resolution? Do you have one, or you have several that are most important to you? Why does it, or why do they matter to you so much? Why is it that a goal you have to choose it for this year, or in fact any year? Why particularly this year? Maybe it is the right time at this moment to do some reviewing. It has been going to half a year since the beginning of the year, or in fact you can review anytime, because a resolution may not need to have a timeline of 12 months or a whole year to achieve. It can be any time to start or to end. Still, the principle of reviewing resolutions are quite similar, and I'm going to share with them. Hi everyone, I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer and writer. In this video, we will share with you, or I will go through a few ways to review and revisit your resolution to keep them on track towards the end of the year, and it will help to make you achieve them more easily. Let's start with, have you been consistent? Are you still motivated? Have you perhaps given up, or have gotten caught up in other tasks that you believe is more important than your resolutions? What are the responsibilities that you have given priority to at this moment? More often than we like, the answer is yes. We may have lost track of our resolutions, but that doesn't mean that all is lost at this point in time. You have plenty of opportunity and time to get this resolution back. Learn from what you have missed last year. Did you succeed in fulfilling your resolutions, or did you give up at the last year's resolution, or any resolution before at the last minute? Consider very, very closely. Why do you give up? What happened? What were the obstacles that you faced? Maybe it's time to learn from past mistakes. Don't repeat them. Don't repeat them. Use the information that you have now to your advantage. First, remember, when you start a resolution, you should refresh it now, saying that I will never get bored when I try something new. There's really no limit to what you can do. Keep this in mind. And if the resolution last year did not come true, or any resolution did not come true because of the lack of time, perhaps this year you can do more and start with tomorrow, or even now. Lay out your plans again to keep your resolution on track. Allocate a bit more time to make sure that they can be put priority on and you focus on it. For instance, Can you do your resolution task in the morning or in the evening? Or can you maybe just get up a bit earlier to get the task done for your resolution? And any problems that you face, you can go and search for valuable information on the internet or refer to the friends that you trust about how to solve them. And to feel more engaged with your resolution, you need to connect back with the motivation behind it, behind the resolution. You get the same excitement about the results that you want to achieve. Visualize yourself at the end of the year or at the end of achieving your goal related to the resolutions. How does it feel? Use that excitement to get motivated here and now. No matter what, don't give up on your resolutions. Even if you have left it aside for quite some time, don't beat yourself up. Pick it back up and keep going. You'll be grateful that you did. The point is, never underestimate the power you have over your own life, and use this power to set a new direction, and even the direction of reviewing your own resolution to keep it on track and making sure that you are on the right path moving forward. So best of luck and happy reviewing your resolution. See you in the next video.